So just revisiting some of the basics of Windows Movie Maker. To import images, we can add videos and photos by clicking this button here. You go to the folder where you have the images saved and Control A on your keyboard selects all the images, open, and here are my pictures. The program will give us a default of 5 seconds duration for each photo. That means that each image will be shown for 5 seconds. For animation, for claymation, that's too long. We need to change that to maximum a second. So I'm going to change that to a second. It's still quite slow, but I want it at that time frame so I can show you how visual effects will add to your presentation. So presently, each photo will show for a second. I'm going to click on this picture here, and holding down the Shift button on my keyboard, I'll select the image at the end of that row. So these 4 images are now selected. I go to Visual Effects, and I want to change how those pictures are viewed. I'll try this guy here, click on it, hold down the Shift button, and I'll give those images a different effect. The next row, I'll choose that one, and I'll choose this effect here. So the purpose of having the effects isn't just to make it all look pretty, but hopefully you'll be able to use these effects to add power to your presentations. So let's have a look at how those effects have changed my presentation. And as you can see, there are quite a few effects that you can choose from. So take time to play with those and see how they can add to your presentation. When saving your presentation, first go to View and make sure that the aspect ratio is on widescreen. We need it on widescreen because we will be viewing your videos at the cinema. Then go back to Home and click on this button here as Burn a DVD. First though, we'll just save it. So click on this button here and then go to Save Project, and then whether you save it onto the desktop or a USB, give your movie a name and click Enter, and it will save that to your desired location. Next, we can start burning that to a DVD. So that means you just simply click on this button here, and it will ask you to save it in a different format. So I will change the name of this just to save any confusion, and I'll call this the DVD version, and I'll click on Save. Now this will take a little while to save, so I'll pause. Now that it's finished saving, we see that it has created our DVD version, and we'll click on Next, and we see this page. This is just confirmation now that we are ready to burn to DVD our videos. Now, I will be putting all your videos together for the presentation, so you don't actually need to burn your videos to a DVD. Instead, just close that now. We don't. We'll save our project. We'll call it DVD version 2. And please make sure that you save all associated files to one USB and then hand that to me so that I can put them all together as one presentation.